What you know is an opinion of other people, but what I'm going to say you is a fact. Hello, this is Shiva Prasad. Here I'm going to help you out with some medicine supplements which you need to stack it with your daily basis. It is only for the people those who are professionally involved in athletic or some kind of other physical activities. So here I am helping in this fitness industry for more than 7+ years. Like it has been a decade for me, like seeing all the desi trainers to the now present modern trainers. I would like to thank especially my coach. I can say him as a guru, Mr. Hanumantraj sir. I'm very thankful for him. Here are the few things I want to tell you, discuss you about all the medicines and what are the supplements which you can use in your sports career or some kind of other thing. And here I have an whey proteins, which is the best one. I can say you that. I'll discuss it later. First thing first, I want to discuss with you is like example, if you divide in human anatomy, for example, a complete body divides into 3 parts like skeleton, nervous system and organ, muscle, in the 4 different categories. So first we'll discuss about this skeleton and what are the medicine which is basic requirement for this. I'll introduce you one thing. This is an Astamin 3 injection. So here you can see. So as you know, Astamin you get in a tablet form. It's an amino acid, completely amino profile. There's nothing much medicine in this, but the simple funda is like you have all the like L group amino acids in this. Like I'll show you how this one looks like. It's a 20 ml content. It's a 20 ml content. So before injecting it, never ever take this from the wrist nerve. Take it directly from the elbow nerve. This is nothing a drug or a steroid kind of a thing. This is only a medicine which is a L group, like it's an amino acid, completely a profile of amino. You can have it, you can read it, if you search in the Google with the Astamin 3, then you can get it everything. Just what I want to tell you is 2 kind of uses, like one is a medical use, one is a sports use. So let me explain you about the medical use, like why it is used. Like there are the many diseases like you get infected to your bone or some kind of other thing where your body gets stopped producing the amino acid, like internally you can't even give a proper food to your body. At that moment what the doctors do is like they will inject this one in the saline bottle, like directly injecting this one to the saline bottle through your vein, going into your body and spreading it. And these works around only for 24 hours, not more than that. Then it is a nutrient. Okay, this is not a drug or steroid kind of a thing. So here when it enters in your body, then that will give you an entire profile which is present in that particular 20 ml medicine. The person get a fracture in his leg or hair crack in his bones, then these kind of medicine like Astamin with some advanced one, like you have an increase in the dosage or decrease in the dosage depending upon the age and all the stuff. Doctors increase or decrease the quantity of that medicine in your body. So this was a medical usage. But if you come into the sports use, now how the sports person uses, like for example you are completely done with your practice and everything, tomorrow you have a competition to compete. Now you need to recharge your body up to the 100%. So how it get is like this one is one of the best way. Of course you can take amino acid through in your body, like you get in the different markets like BCAAs or etc. But in this you have a more than 14 amino acids which is present in those 20 ml bottle. So if you inject in your body, then your body gives a 100% raise in your energy levels. It will recharge your body up to 100%. That is a truly amazing, where you feel very energetic and very good and no pains at all in your body. So if you have even the tennis elbow kind of a thing or any drowsiness, even sometimes we have noticed that person may lose these things. When we have the advanced version of Astamin, as you get is in the IV form, it is a more than a 200 ml bottle. Normally we have noticed that people like cycling and marathon runners, they do inject in their body. And not even that, even I have noticed that many people with the dance industry, like people those who are competing at dance, then they too use this kind of stuff. Now, if you ask me, like, what are the elements, like, what are the nutrient you required in the body, like, what the things like vitamin B complex C or any other stuff, glutamine or BCAAs, what are the things you need? If you have that question mark, then I would like to say entire periodic table, whatever you see in the periodic table, like all the elements in direct form or indirect form, your body get produce those elements. So if you want to compete, like tomorrow, like the very next day you have a competition, or you have a 5k run, or you have a something other thing audition with the physical activity, then of course you can use Astamin. It's an overnight dosage, like you can take it as a 3 to 4 hours before, like it will recharge your body completely. And you can take it as a like you can take before the sleep, like after that injecting in your body, then you can take a rest for 12 hours, then it will recharge your maximum potency. So that is a good way of using an Astamin 3 injectable. And even though you get in the oral form also, which is a tablet, and even that is can be used, but this is a more advanced way of tablets. Low deficit of calcium or something like that, then even you can stack those content with this Sigma Calvate. This is one of the best, you can say. This is a combination of calcium and vitamin B3, calcium and vitamin B12 and vitamin D3. Next we have an medical supplement, like you can say it as a, this is one is a completely of vitamin B profile, B complex, you can say. This is an elder white, and this one is a Vitcofil, and this one is a Neurobion Fort. Now I'll tell you what is the difference in these three. Now, as I said you before, like if you divide your human anatomy into 4, like you have a nervous system, exactly in the same way these do work in your nervous system. So what is the use of this? Like you can discuss, like one is a medical purpose, another one is a sports purpose. Let us discuss with the medical purpose. Now when these comes into the picture in the medical, like when you get like spasm in your body, or you have any swollen part in your body, like which is related to your nervous system, or you are not able to do a proper walk or some kind of other kind of when you are met with an accident. So these things when happen to your body, then doctor suggests these kind of medicines for you. And highly preferable is like elder white. These are all these three are same. Maximum all these three are same, bit difference in their chemical composition, but I would like to prefer this one, elder white. This is a 2 ampoule which you get in this. One is a vitamin B12 and another one is a vitamin C, which has a good results. I like to prefer this one. And second least, I would like to prefer the Neurobion Fort. This is a Neurobion Fort ampoule. These are all injectables. I'm not saying you about the oral one, I'm saying you about the injectable. This is a 2 ml ampoule. In the same way, elder weight is also the same as I told you before. This is a vitamin B12 ampoule. This is of 1.2 ml, and another one is a same vitamin C, 1.5 ml. Sorry, 1.5 ml, 1.5 ml, completely 3 ml. So part 1 and part 2. So, and there's one more tip, like now you can see a few people are using the vitamin C for their face with the derma roller. You like, instead of getting a costly one, you can use this one as a vitamin C roller for your skin also. This is an additional tip for you. And here I would like to say these are like this is a completely like medical use, like medical purpose use. Like if you ask me about the sports purpose, like what is the use? For example, you are the person, like you have done a good enough job in your gym and you are a bit tired or kind of a thing, when you want to recharge up your body to 100%, like the nervous system, when you feel like if you hold a dumbbell and automatically you lose that dumbbell, like you feel no connection with your arms or no connection with your legs, like sometimes so very tired, dizziness kind of a thing, you can take this, because this will give you a 100% result related to your nervous system. Like you'll feel very good, energetic. This Endobyte will give you a 100% accurate, like speed of your movement, few sports are like where the movement is speed and you need to be so quick and alert and accurate. So this will help you to boost up your nervous system and relaxes your nervous system and recharge it. The reason why I would like to prefer Endobyte, and the least preferable is Neurobion Fort, and other than that Metcofil. So my suggestion is only elder white. This is a tablet form of elder white, like it has the same chemical composition and the same mechanism, but still there is a slightly change in the chemical composition, but still it will help you a lot in if you are a dancer, if you are a gymming guy, if you are a heavy person lifter, or if you are a deadlifter or a swimmer, then this will help you a lot if you stack these tablets with your multivitamin or any other proteins or anything. If you are taking this, dosage will be among 1 or 2 tablets in a week, not more than that. I recommend you this one. Now here is one more tablet. This is a vitamin D3 tablet. So of course vitamin D3 also very important for us. This is a weekly tablet. This you need to stack it with your food supplements, anything. It is a weekly once dosage, not more than that. So advantages are what we have seen the changes, like people with the lack of vitamin deficiency, they have the more bloating and excess of water gain in their body, like they will be not able to lose their weight compared to others, and excess of sweating, especially in the gyms. You can see a people A and like person A and person B. So there's a huge difference in sweating, like doing the same weight, same everything is same, but still a person A will be sweating more than a person B. So that is also indirect form of your body need a vitamin D. There are many reasons where we are lacking of vitamin D levels, but still excess of coffee and tea, having these kind of stuff will also make your vitamin D levels low. And there's a next supplement is like collagen peptide. Like this one is a completely plain, you can see no name, nothing, because I bought it from the lab personally. So in the market, like you get a different types of collagen, like type 1, type 2, type 3, but there is this one is a raw form. It's a combination of complete collagen, and it's a marine collagen which I bought especially, which is good enough. Like you know all the advantages of collagen, but still here you have to stack it with your daily supplements, because with your, even you can have this one with your protein shakes or with your any kind of thing directly or indirectly in your body. So here there are the many advantages of this is, like even any age category, if you are above 20 years you can have it. Like if you have a knee issues, at elbow issues, like excess of because of gymming or any sports, because of any heavy training, because of those heavy trainings, if you feel pain in your knees or elbows or any joints, then if you use this one, then definitely you will get a 100% results. And even in your home, there are the few people like your mom or dad who are aged, they are suffering from the knee issue or elbow issue. Even these, by using this collagen, marine collagen, even we have seen there are many, like they have got cured out of that. Like not recommended more than 5 grams a day, but before using that, consult your physician or doctor whom you can trust them. It improves your skin texture, skin quality, and even the hair quality and nail growth. And few people have the very low hair growth capacity, so even that gets boosted up your body. And this is good to stack it with your protein shake, like that will give you 100% repair in your muscle, because of regular wear and tear and heavy lifting or heavy heavy activity. Because of heavy activity you may lose your wear and tear of your skin, so that will be repairing on the back end. This by collagen has a best benefits out of it. So I would personally like you to recommend this one, collagen, if you are a sports athlete or even a regular person also, if you have a knee issue or elbow issue, tennis elbow issue. And even we have seen that it has been improving in the digestion quality and metabolic rate. I would like to speak about the SARAMs. This is SARAMs, selective androgen receptors, normally if you abbreviate the SARAMs. So here are the few sample thing I bought it for you to show. This one is an MK677, and this one is a GWD, and this is an SR9009, and this is a MK677. So it has been very surprising for me, because every 9 out of 10 trainers doesn't know about the SARAM. Still we are using those D-ball and T-ball, still even now in 2020s. So it's a very surprise for me, because those are heavy in nature, and their targeting and that those medicine target is different. Like they are made up to treat the cancer patient, AIDS patients, and so, but still they are altering it to use in the sports field. But whereas compared to SARAMs, like especially those are developed for the sports especially. Sarams is just like it will be in hours together, not unlike other things. Like if you inject T-ball or D-ball, it will be days and months together depending upon the dosage. But the Sarams won't, because those life are in hours, like 6 hours, 4 hours, 7 hours. Because of that, those results are superb, and even we have noticed that people, those have good gains, and those gains are a bit stabilized, like not even like other things. All the Sarams look same, like all the Sarams has the maximum effects are same, working on your hormones and androgen receptors, but still each of the Sarams has a different quality. For example, if you take an LGD, that works as a D-ball. Like what the D-ball do, it will increase your weight and muscularity. In the same way, LGD mimic the same role. But here, LGD doesn't has a negative part that compared to the D-ball or T-ball or Decaduroball. If you use the Sarams, results are awesome. You can stack it with the other kind of a thing. For example, even SR9009 will mimic a role of clenbuterol, even reduction in the body weightage. And even you can stack it with the different supplements you have, like even you go with the injectables or orals. But all the Sarams are orals only. You don't have any injectable Sarams. Which I have is a Dishma Sarams, which is produced in Indian pharmacy. Sarams you get in the 10 ml, like 10 milligrams, not 10 ml, 10 milligrams. So depending upon your requirement and your way of athletic performance, so we recommend more than 30 or 40 grams, 20 milligrams per day. If you want me to make a video regarding each and every Saram, then just comment me. I'll let you know soon those videos. Here I have one more supplement called, this is an ECS stack, as you know everyone, but still I recommend ECS stack because if you want to lose a weight which is a short term and heavy, if you want to lose your weight within a days or within a month, if you are in a keto, then this will help you a lot. Like this is an awesome for the weight loss, and this one you can stack it with the L-carnitine also, which will help you to drop in a weight in tremendous way. Next is a whey protein, which is a LaserX brand. I personally trust this brand because it has been so long for me, recommending each and every person, like whatever clients I have, I recommend this LaserX product only because the beauty of this product is it's completely Indian manufactured, but still it is imported from other countries like Davisco and Saputo kind of a thing. But I personally trust in the two ways, like quality wise, at the same time price wise, because price is so affordable. This you can see it's an isolate whey powder. Like in each serving you have a 27 grams of proteins and 5 grams of BCAAs and other 4.6 grams of glutamine. So this is an highest content, like this is an advanced version, like you can say, which is good enough, like more than enough for a single serving. If you purchase this brand in online, you get around the 15% discount, which is good enough. But still, if you want more discount on this branch you have the multiple products like glutamine, gradine and everything. But if you want huge discounts on that, then I can offer you a 30% discount on this, which is pretty good, I guess. Like if you comment me in the comment box, then I'll surely help you out. Same way they have the different products, as I said you before. This is a BCAA and this is a glutamine, which I personally recommend. Injecting any medicine or any kind of orals in your body, just please, it's my humble request, just you have to please contact your physician or else your personal trainer whom you can trust it. It's not that easy to take it without just a single video. If you have any queries related to this all medicines and how to use it and what to use it and what kind of things you need to add in your diet and everything, just please comment me. I'll let you know as soon as possible. Thank you. And thank yourself for investing your time in something productive to learn something or other thing. And still further more videos, just please give a thumbs up for this video.